Leo, this is your channel messages for the 7th of May. Leo, let's see what is in your messages for today, Leo. See what we got for you today. Leo, we have the High Priestess coming on first, Leo. So I'm getting you're listening to an occultist. It could be a Cancer, all right? But I'm getting, this is all about the metaphysical. Tarot reading, divination, cartomancy, all right? You're seeing this High Priestess, okay? We have a World card. I'm getting you want to see how underneath the clothes of the High Priestess look. I'm getting you're very captivated with somebody. Maybe them have a witchy-like character. It's witchy. It's very alluring. You're like, how much people can get close to this person? I wonder if me can get close to this person. Yeah, so I'm getting intimacy, Leo, not sex. I'm getting intimacy. I'm getting taking off your clothes. I'm getting you naked with somebody in a bed, but you not have sex with them. So this could be like no penetration sex. I'm getting the High Priestess, no penetration sex. Now, in order for you to practice, to even can go that only one time, there's only one time I ever find a guy who could have done that. And I me break. Only in my whole life of sexually dealing with men, only one, only, okay. No, the first one, yes, him had a lot of self-control. But I only can say only one man in my life I did meet that was sexually disciplined enough for have no penetration sex. Only one. And it was a very, very, very spiritual person. It was a very third eye open person. You could have taken off your clothes with him, do almost every single thing, every single thing, but no penetration. I don't know if there's something like that. We're getting something about no penetration. All right, the High Priestess. We have hi Leo. Yes, something about one Leo. Hi Leo. I don't know what this is, but I'm telling you, Leo. And to me, not like. Sex is not nice with everybody. Yeah, some people do not know how to have sex. And it's one thing if you don't have experience. If you don't, all right. No, in my life, Leo. No, as me can talk. No, if you're a man and you don't have sexual experience, it don't bother me as much. Maybe in the past it did. Maybe the whoring mentality I had. In the past it did. Now, if a man don't have a lot of sexual experience, as in him not really know how to move into the bedroom, him not know about foreplay. If him willing to learn, I can teach him. But if him get angry at the fact that him can't, I tell him, then I don't want to try with you. But Leo, again, there's something about no penetration sex. No, me getting a lot of rubbing, a lot of. Do you know what that looks like? Only one time I get to experience it, and it was the best feeling. It was the best feeling, Lee, I'm telling you. It was the best. Anyways, let's continue the reading. The Ten of Swords. What is this? You feel betrayed? You feel bad, Leo? Why? What happening? I'm getting something about no penetration sex. Maybe a toast. One more. The Death card. Yeah. Is that it? I'm getting. It's like you're saying every time you have sex with somebody, them dead. Every time you have sex with somebody, you would change. It could be something about a spell that was put on you. Every time you have sex with somebody, I don't know, somebody gets sick, I'm getting something sick. Now be careful, maybe somebody is like, oh, no penetration, I'm getting them sick. I'm getting them, I try to find a way for rub them on you. Or she's trying to find a way to make you rub your on her, but she'll give you one STD. So be careful. Because I'm getting you saying, how if I have an STD and I use a condom? How if I have an STD and I never go inside? I'm getting you still can't get it, sir. No, if that's not it, I'm getting something about the High Priestess. I'm getting you saying, or people saying, yeah, you ever have sex with her? If you have sex with her, your life change. Now, I don't know if there's something about when you have sex with the High Priestess, you start to hallucinate. When you have sex with her and you go home, I'm getting some weird shit start happen to you. Now, if you have sex with a high priestess with bad intentions, when you leave and go home, you're going to see the dead. The dead are going to scare you. Because you have a high priestess with wrong intentions. Now, if you have the high priestess with right intentions, when you don't car, you're going to feel like you just get power. You're going to feel energized, like you can move a mountain. Because you're fucking session with her. So if you notice the first 3 times you have sex with somebody, every time you have sex with them, you don't feel tired. You feel energized. Maybe you start to abuse the sex. That's why now you start to feel drained. Your body hurt you. Your mind is not at ease. You can't sleep because you have car with the wrong intention. You'll curse yourself. No, again, we're getting something about no penetration. You're saying something about no penetration. No penetration. We're getting everything is on limits except penetration. Something like that. The high priestess. Don't know what that is. Okay. High priestess is clarified by the 2 of Pentacles. Okay. The world card is clarified by the Knight of... I'm getting a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Leo, that's you. I'm getting you want to have sex with this woman. Now, I don't know if you're trying to make somebody wait a very, 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 very long time before you have sex with them. Because I'm seeing the high priestess going back and forth and saying, do I want to have sex? Do I not want to have sex? Do I want to talk to this Leo? Do I not want to talk to this Leo? I'm getting the Leo. First of all, somebody will come visit you. They want to have sex with you. That's the first thing on them head. Now, I don't know if that... I'm getting there's something about you saying to somebody, no, you don't penetrate. You can't penetrate me. So I don't know if you want lesbian and you try. I don't know if all of your life you liked men. You liked women. I'm getting for some reason you say you will try with a man again. But the man, like you say, okay, for the first time I try, you can't penetrate me. Don't penetrate me, don't use your fingers, don't use nothing. You can't kiss, you can't touch, you can't rub, you can't lick, you can't suck, but no penetration. Maybe me not tell you if switch sexes. No, me not tell you if switch your preference, but me getting maybe you're saying as a lesbian woman, if you can find a guy who have so much self-control where he won't penetrate you but him can please you just externally, yeah, me not know. Does that seem more feminine to you? Me not know. Let's go. The Strength card is clarified by the 10 of Wands. I'm getting you really horny. The 10 of Swords is clarified by the 6 of Cups and the 5 of Pentacles reversed. Okay. And the Death card is clarified by the... Yeah, I'm getting a Leo, man. There's a Leo. Something about a Leo. Something about a Leo. I'm getting somebody sick. The Leo sick. This person's sick. I don't know if somebody have HIV or AIDS. I'm getting somebody sick. Now, maybe they got sick while they was homeless. They caught something while they was staying in temporary housing. Things where you can catch and you never have sex with people. You can catch like hepatitis. Hep. You can catch hep and you never even fuck nobody. Hep very high in homeless shelters too. Very, very high. You can catch hep. You can catch HPV in a homeless shelters too. Because when you're sharing the bathroom, when you're sharing the shower, especially if people go into the shower bare feet, I don't care if you have cleaners that clean the place. Let me tell you something. Big companies will have clean. The only blood clot place, the only place who invest in a cleaning products for clean a mother community center. And you know how I feel about the fucking Jews, right? The only blood clot place. You see enough of them places where you say big condominium, big bank, big fast food restaurants. Ask the cleaners about their variety in cleaning products. Them get one big keg full of one green something and them here for throw one cork full and full it up of water. It smell like inside of a fucking surgical glove. But when they are mother, anything my blood clot want them get me. They must say, yeah, write a list down of the cleaning things you want. They might give me air freshener, me have Lysol, me have air freshener, me have Fabuloso, me have everything. When me that clean a mother community center, me very, very happy. Because anything I want for clean, them give me. I want air fresh, them a bite. Them just write it down. I'm gonna do it. Other places where you clean, I be a boring thing. Boring, some boring blood clot bleach. Then make you go to one place and do this and you see one holes are full up and I go in a your little thing. And when you smell it, it smells terrible. It smells like ants and ass. That's how the fuck the cleaning products smell, right? One thing I can say about dirty blood clot, Mother Community Center located at Canary Avenue. You see when they are clean there, them invest. Them all have Swiffer jet. You know the thing where you do this on the ground and you do so and you take off one sheet and you do it again. All that them have them for clean. One time one of the people them say you can take it and bring it home. I say, I not take it home. Them say, yeah man, they can take one and bring home, man, because I have enough. I say, sir, I not take nothing from the Jewish place here. Talking about fucking sheets. Trump, you're talking about blood clot sheets. Ask Mother Community Center. The blood clot sheet, them what them use for blood clot pray for Shabbat Shalom. The sheet never blood clot wash until me did there. Because when I went down there, and them have them have washing machine and dryer. When I look on the sheets what the Jews them use for cover up, when them a tie up them hand and cover up with the same blood clot sheet, it nasty and dirty in a blood clot. And I say how you expect Jah to approve? I say, who work here? Oh, and have the Jewish people that come in and I wrap up them hand, put on them thing with dirty blood clot sheet over them. And me wash the whole of the sheet them. And the man them even come to me because at the end of the sheets, it have some like frilly things there and it can get tangled up. And the man say, I want to touch that, you know. I'm going to say, yeah, you're a man. Me, I want woman. We have different priorities. Them can't worship blood clot, Allah. Whoa. Them can't worship blood clot, Jah, in a dirty sheet. And I mean, wash the whole of the sheet, dry it, fold it and everything. The sheet had it had a softener. And I remember when I was there, I fold up the sheet and put it down for Shabbat Shalom. Everybody who come and take up sheet, them a smell the sheet and ask how the sheet smells so good. I never even tell nobody say I me wash it. But one Israel, one man, what they need to get from Israel, did I work there. And it look like them send him for study me. And he might tell me, why you wash the sheet, don't wash the sheet. I say, you're one man, you don't care about them things here. Me care about it. And them say, suppose the sheet, the end of the sheet tangle up. Suppose it tangle up and tear. I say, me will take the fall feet. Talking about blood clot sheets. Ask Mother Community Center, when last them blood clot sheet wash? Cause me come, how long them there? How long the Canary Avenue there? How long Mother Community Center there? And me going to go take the whole of the blood clot sheet. About 30 sheet my blood clot to wash for them. For prayer. Talking about fucking sheets. Anyways, you can catch a lot of things in homeless shelters. It doesn't care about cleaner. Cleaner come around and clean it. Sir, ma'am, that cleaning product not sterilize nothing. Me getting somebody caught something. I don't know if somebody catch something and then I come to you and I tell you, so listen, I'm gonna be honest with you. Sorry, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm drinking coffee. So, I'm gonna be honest with you. Me catch this STD, me have this. I better them tell you so you know how to strap up than them not tell you. But me getting something about no penetration. That's what I keep getting, Leo. No penetration. No penetration. No penetration. Are you dating a virgin? Or I don't know if you're saying that you want to be celibate. But no penetration. Woo! These are risky behavior, women. Taurus, yeah. Something about a Taurus. Talking about the bull is here to cause destruction. And the bull coming in your blood clot place and wash the sheet them so the people them could have pray peacefully during Shabbat Shalom. Don't play with me. Don't fucking play with me. Political agenda, talking about politics. Where was the politics for wash the fucking sheet them for the Jews? Because I'm the only person who blood clot, they do it. If you see the dirty sheet them with them inner, beer stain, dirty sheet, the sheet them smell like mold. And them the whole of them just come from a bus full of Jewish people who come from New York. And them just come in there, enter the building, eat what them eat, put the sheet over them head, them tie up. You know the one them tie? Them always tie them hand. And put the thing over them head and start praying. The blood clot sheet them not even never fucking wash it. Nobody would. I mean the one who wasn't Jewish. I mean a blood clot wash with them talking about you gave Ukraine sheets. Why the fuck you never give Ukraine a fucking bill? Why you never give them a bill? Why you never make Elon Musk go research? Why you never make Elon Musk and Doge go see how much fucking money was spent on the blood clot sheets you claim you gave Ukraine? You think sheet can block bullets? We gave Ukraine sheets. You think blood clot sheet can stop Vladimir Putin from bombing up blood clot Ukraine? You gave them sheets. Or you gave them sheets, but they watch the sheet them for the Jews them too. And I still got nothing. I was left a nigga. Let's continue the reading. We have Sagittarius, and we also have the number 4. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.